About 3 months ago, my good friend texted me asking if I wanted to go on a trip to Death Valley. Of course, I said yes. I really didn't ask what we'd be doing or what the plan was. I was just excited to go. So with all my film gear packed up, he picked me up at 5 a.m. and we started driving north to Death Valley. This adventure turned out to be one of the best ones I've ever been on. So I decided to make a story to share with you guys this experience.
We'll have you guys in the middle.
All right, let's do it.
It's gonna be rough, but we're gonna do it. So, you know, we're here. We came this far. We're not turning around now.
How are the feelings on this?
Let's do it.
Are you
steady?
Are you confident?
Slow and steady.
How's the piston weather?
Beautiful. Oh, it's so good. Great time to do it. Couldn't ask for better conditions. We got no wind, and yeah, just a slope. Just gotta deal with a little slope. You shake it more than twice, you're playing with it.
There's a Jeep.
Yeah. We're doing great, baby. We're in the snow. We're surviving. Look at this.
Yeah.
Woo.
How far we got to go?
We got about another hour in this, so we'll see if we can actually make it.
Oh yeah, baby. We're just gonna send it right over these mountains here.
We've been driving for like, what, 8-9 hours?
Yeah, about.
We were out here in Death Valley, took on a closed road. We got a fleet of 3 cars. We're gonna head down there, try and film every single day, create a cool story for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, well, it's the morning time. We've made it. Check it out here in the desert. Snow-capped mountains, definitely weren't expecting that, but stay tuned, we got some more adventures coming for you today.
Alright guys, we had breakfast, packed up the gear, got our camera stuff ready. We're going to a canyon in Death Valley right now. It's gonna be about like a bumpy 30-minute ride out. And yeah, just kind of show you guys behind the scenes, us getting our shots and kind of share the whole experience with you. Thanks for watching. It's day 1. I'm extremely excited to see all the beautiful things this valley has to offer. Alright guys, just pulled off the road. Alex got the drone up for a few shots that you just saw. Packing up some food. We're all getting ready to hike up here. Probably be about 30-45 minute hike. When I get up there, I got my drone. Gonna get that up. But for now, yeah, we're just gonna hit the road and see how this goes. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
My buddy Alex invited me on this trip to Death Valley. I don't really have all the right gear. I have ripped jeans and Vans on right now, which is what I wore in the car on the way up here. But yeah, we're about to hike. We're about to hike up here. We are currently deciding on the best path up. One behind me over here, and then there's one over here, which I think is where we're supposed to go. We can kind of like see the destination, but we're not sure the fastest way to get there. Vans is all you need to climb a mountain, baby. So this trip was made possible thanks to our sponsor, Vans. They're the best hiking shoe. So we walked down and found what would be a flash flood stream bed, which is kind of scary. So if you don't know, a little bit of knowledge here. When the snow melts and it rains, because from the valley, all gets funneled to there and then shoots its way down here. And you can see he's about 6 feet. And you can see the stream wall here. It's about the same height. So it really comes through and cuts away. Shows you the strength of nature sometimes.
A little patch of white stuff, sand. That's where we came from the whole way across this desert. Bye guys.
Bye.
Have fun, be safe.
Scratch the paint.
What is this?
My bad. Alright guys.
They're headed out in the Jeep right now. Alex and I are staying here. We're gonna head down to the lake over here. I'm not even sure if it's really a lake. It's a salt flat that's filled in with water, and just see what we can do with the rest of this daylight. Because we're in the desert, there's no lights, no city lights, nothing. So try to get that content and just explore, have some fun. But right now, snack time. This place is just unreal. I know I said that earlier, but I can't get enough of it. It's been like a full day, still haven't showered at all. And it's just funny, I wasn't prepared at all for this, and having literally, look at this view around me. I'm like 3 hours into the desert and we're just surrounded by mountains. It's actually incredible. Yeah, I'm just excited for the new year. It's 2020. I've been doing some vlogs while I'm working, putting out like behind the scenes content that I want to share, and just like travel more and go do more stuff. I've been like really, 2019 was so business oriented in the building my business, which is fine, it should be that way. But there's also, now that I'm established more and I know kind of like my route, I really want to get out and do some more trips, just like adventure, hiking kind of stuff, and make some fun, cinematic, clean, my style videos. So yeah, thank you guys, really, thank you for watching. I'm excited for day 2 and 3, maybe 4. I don't know when we're going back, really. But yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of the night. We're gonna get going here.
There we are.
Oh god, dude.
There we are. We made it, baby! Woo! Let's go! Hell yeah.
We're gonna go to the water out here, get some sick shots. We did not think we were gonna be able to make it out here. Just because like finding a fucking road off of that main road, if you even call that a road, is like impossible. The vans are staying strong. Head right over to the water. You can see it right here. Going for a swim?
Well guys, we made it. I've seen this place for a long time. I've always wanted to come check it out. And here we are. How awesome is this?
This place is freaking insane, dude. It's not real. The pinks are coming out over those mountains. Pinks are coming out behind my head. We got the time lapse going. I'm actually gonna stop the time lapse right now. Got like an hour drive probably back to camp. We're gonna probably stay here till dark. Get attacked by some wild donkeys. It's gonna be fun. Yo, I got a Joby pod attached to my handheld rig. Just wrapped up shooting by the lake. We're headed to the car right now. Gonna sit in there for a bit, let it get dark, and then do some nighttime photography. Nothing like coming into a place in the dark, having no idea what it looks like, waking up and getting to explore what is pretty much like a different planet. So today's been incredible. Can't imagine what tomorrow will bring. Catch you day 2. Peace.
Headed out of the desert, we made it, successful trip. Yeah, we're gonna head to the Alabama Hills now, which is amazing. So stay tuned, it's absolutely beautiful out there.
Come along and teach me how to keep it alive.
Alex is getting shot with a drone right now as he flies over. Alex is down there shooting in the car. Look at this. I gotta line up for a drone shot. Compliments.
By the grace of God, we were on fumes getting back.
We were spitting to get here. Going to get some gas here and head into Lone Pine. Camp out another night, have a big meal, hang out, and then yeah, tomorrow head back.
into San Diego. So my phone's blown up right now. Just got service, real service for, you know, extended period of time. So gonna check out some of that, see what's going on. Yeah. We made it to Lone Pine. We're making some Sammys. The whole crew made it safely, which is good. We made it out of Death Valley. A little bit of snow and ice on the way up, as you saw. So now we're making some sandwiches, gonna grab some pizza, and head to the campsite to get set up for the night. Excited to see what it looks like. Sunset is very nice. We just pulled up in Alabama Hills. It's about like an hour in from Lone Pine, where we had the sandwiches. We've just been trucking it through this like desert kind of area. It's like really hilly. Trying to get all the cars out here to a spot that's secluded and still open to camp in. So we got a spot here. We're gonna set up some food, get our tents ready, and then have a fire in this cave. So yeah, glad we made it.
We spent the rest of the night by the fire, watching the stars pass and telling stories. I know it sounds cliche, but in that small cave, in the middle of nowhere, you really appreciate the ones around you.
Good morning, buenos dias. Just woke up to some nice coffee here.
In the element, baby.
He's just looking at it.
Making Joe in nature. That's my element.
What's going on over here?
She's scared of the fireworks.
Good morning. As you saw last night, this was the camp set up here. And I slept back there in a cave. With a little fire. It was sweet. We all woke up to this crazy view.
What day is it? Day 4? We just woke up in Alabama Hills, packing up right now. And then we're just gonna go head through here, the drones and the cameras, explore a little bit, and then we're headed back to good old San Diego, beautiful sunny San Diego, later this evening.
About to go take a nature dump.
Taking a nature dump. See how this goes. They're both going to take a nature dump. Taking some time to do some product photography with the kombucha cans here. So yeah, just taking some time out the day to use our gear. You know, throw them on Instagram or send them to the company and see if they use them.
Alex is about to launch the drone here. Always take off from the top of the Toyota. Another day in the vans, taking on the mountains.
Gonna head out of Alabama Hills, go and get some food at a diner, fuel up for the 5-hour ride home. This is my little nook for the ride home.
Laying in the back of the truck, I couldn't help but think if this was the last time I'd ever see those mountains. If I'd ever be back here again. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized that it wasn't the mountains that I would miss, but the memories and good times that were made with friends.
That's really good.